My name is Olivia Loogie, and this is my second book critique. So, the cover book I picked for this book critique is a book called Rain, Rain. The author is Anne M. Martin. The genre is biography. The reading level is between 3rd and 5th grade, but you can read it all the way up until like 9th grade. And then it won the Schneider Family Book Award in 2015. Rain, Rain is a book about a girl that has autism and about a dog that her father gave her, and it goes through her life in the 5th grade and like the struggles that she faces day to day and how her dog Rain helps her get through these struggles. So for the first lesson plan, I did an English language arts lesson plan for 3rd grade, and this fits with a Common Core standard. So for the lesson, it would be about homonyms because Rose, the main character, likes to come up with homonyms for any words that she can find. So I would first have the students do some worksheets about homonyms and figuring out homonyms, and then I'd have them make their own homonym sheets like Rose did in the book that they could keep with them and keep filling out throughout the year. These are some examples I found of worksheets that you could give your students to do. The worksheet on the left is by education.com and the worksheet on the right is by Live Worksheets. The second lesson plan I came up with was a high school environmental science lesson, which just an environmental science class. It can be anywhere between 9th and 12th grade. So in the book, it talks about a hurricane. So for the lesson, I had the teacher just goes over hurricanes, how they form, just what is a hurricane. And then each student would come up with their own presentation on a specific hurricane, like Hurricane Katrina, and add it to a Padlet. This is an example of what the Padlet would look like, and I put some examples of names in there for what the students could write about, and then I added a comment section so that they can comment on each other's presentations. The next book is When the Stars Come Out, Bedtime Psalms for Little Ones. The author is L.J. Sagst, and the illustrator is Nancy Munger. The genre is picture book and informational book because it talks about different psalms you'd find in the Bible, so it's informational, but it's also a picture book. And the reading level is pre-K to 2nd grade, so in pre-K or even younger than that, the parent can read it to the child, or as they get older, they can read it to themselves. The next book is The Maze Runner. The author is James Dashner. The genre is dystopian fiction. The reading level for this book is 5th to 8th grade, and some awards that it has won is the Whitney Award in 2008, the ALA Best Fiction for Young Adults Award in 2011, and Young Reader's Choice Award in 2012. The next book is The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. It is also a dystopian fiction, and the reading level is 5th to 8th grade again. So this book also won quite a few awards: the Dorothy Canfield Fisher Children's Book Award, the California Young Reader Medal, Young Adult, Siblis Award for Fantasy and Science Fiction, and the Hal Clement Award. The next book is The Rainbow Fish by Marcus Pfister. This is also, the genre is a picture book. The reading level is kindergarten to 2nd grade. Like When the Stars Come Out, the parents can read it to them more the few words that are in it when they're younger, and then they can read it to themselves as they get older, or even just look at the pictures. This also won some awards, the Newbery Medal and Honor Award, and the Christopher Award and American Booksellers Association Award. The next book is Holes by Louis Sachar, and the genre is realistic fiction. The reading level is 3rd to 8th grade, and it won the John Newbery Medal Award, the Dorothy Canfield Fisher Children's Book Award, and National Book Award for Young People's Literature. The next book is The Lord of the Rings. The author is J.R. Tolkien. The genre is fantasy. The reading level for this book is a little older at 7th to 12th grade, and it won the Prometheus Hall of Fame Award and International Fantasy Award for Fiction. The next book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the first one in the set of books by Jeff Kinney. The genre for this book is comedy, and the reading level is 3rd to 8th grade, and it won the Kids' Choice Award for Favorite Book and the Dorothy Canfield Fisher Children's Book Award. So those are my 8 books for this set, and thank you.